In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix desktop files not showing in Windows 11. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, if your desktop is suddenly a ghost town, it's usually due to a simple display toggle or a OneDrive sync conflict. So on Windows 11, files rarely delete themselves, they just stop being rendered. So the most common cause is accidentally hiding the entire desktop layer via the right-click menu. So just go to your desktop, right-click any random empty space, and then hover over View. Check if Show Desktop Icons is enabled. If it isn't, click it and your files should instantly appear just like how they are for me. Windows 11 often defaults to backup mode, which moves your local desktop files into the cloud. So if OneDrive logs out or glitches, the files vanish from your screen. So open up File Explorer, and then in the left sidebar, look for OneDrive and Personal. Then open up the desktop folder inside OneDrive, and if your files are there, OneDrive has moved them. So to fix this permanently, right-click the OneDrive cloud icon, then go to Settings, then go to Sync and Backup, Manage Backup, and toggle Desktop to Off to keep your files locally on your machine. And yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and also be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well.